hear the word binibini is dalisay.
Hindi ko kinaya yung dalisay. Nahiya ako sa kanya. Siguro pag ako ang tinanong kung what is binibini for you, Cardo. Dalisay. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Nai!
Ayan, so for today's video ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction para sa get to know video ng isa sa mga delegates for Binibining Pilipinas 2024. And this time it's for Binibini number 30. That's Trisha Martinez from Pila, Laguna. And let's watch this.
Let's go!
Mabuhay! I am Trisha Martinez, your Binibini 30 from Laguna. The word binibini is dalisay. Someone who has a pure heart.
Wow.
Someone who can light up the room. And someone who can extend herself to help the community.
Hindi ko kinaya yung dalisay. Nahiya ako sa kanya. Siguro pag ako ang tinanong kung what is binibini for you, Cardo. Dalisay.
Di ba kung siya yung pure, okay, pure. So, dalisay parang mas malalim pa na.
Feeling ko tuloy ang dumi-dumi ko.
Number 1, I am a licensed dentist and I already have my own private dental clinic.
Wow.
Number 2, I am a second timer here in Binibini.
Yes.
And third, I have a deep fascination for mermaids because they symbolize rebirth and revitalization. And that's how I envision myself as I compete for the second time around here in Binibini, full of growth and beautiful transitions.
Wow. Parang I love this mga doctors or talagang professionals na sumasali sa pageant. Like, you know, nakaka-fascinate na yung kanilang passion towards achieving this goal, personal goal nila, di ba, in life. Para siyang, alam mo yun, yung ganda niya. Ang ganda niya na, tama nga yung word na dalisay, para sa kanya yung dalisay, pati yung mga mermaid. Puro magaganda yung sinasabi niya. Kaya na ako sa kanya. Talaga.
Sa akin naman siguro, yung gantong challenge kasi it takes intelligence kasi talaga na papaano ka ba mag-iwan ng mark plus parang introducing yourself or magkaroon ng kulay, malaman nila kung sino ka talaga. So kudos sa kanya kasi ang galing niya, like mermaids, di ba? Parang maaalala mo talaga. Ang dalisay. Cardo.
As a licensed dentist and a Binibini with a purpose, my advocacy is called the Smile Initiative Philippines. I want to improve the oral health of my kababayans because I believe that this simple initiative will help improve one's persona holistically because it involves the overall health and their confidence. And I wish to bring this into a wider audience and hopefully in an international community as part of the greater purpose of the crown.
Ang cute and I mean, ang ganda nung ganong advocacy, pero ang hirap niyang i-achieve. Paano naman yung mga matatandang wala ng ngipin?
Yun ang problema.
Yun ang yung problema. Pero I mean, ang simple niya, pero realistic. And it's, kumbaga ito yung kind of goal na smart. Simple,
attainable,
attainable, realistic, and time-bounded. Like, you know, it's just something na parang you can easily achieve and it's very realistic and it's something that people needs kasi nga yung oral hygiene kapag maganda naman yung kung healthy yung ngipin and all that, it adds into your persona and kumbaga yung naapektuhan din kasi yung image mo if you know something is not really healthy there.
Oo. Feeling ko gano'n talaga yung mga professional na kandidata. They're very smart when it comes to their advocacy. Yung tipong it's either existing na or it's either practical or pwedeng gawin kaysa sa mga idealistic na advocacy. Na yung parang, change of wisdom, ganyan. Or campaign.
Mema lang ang sinasabi.
Hindi naman. Hindi naman.
So ayun guys, thank you so much. At sinamahan nyo naman kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you on the next video. Bye!